Good meal. We can hit 300K on IG for the celebration of the peach car. Alright, once you get that out of the package, you want to get your bowl. And I got some peachy. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this little circle out right here. Just grab that part and just put that on the edge. Just like that. You see that? You see that? Pay attention. Same bowl for the peach. I'm gonna grab some cinnamon, nutmeg, some sugar. Stir that shit up. Oh yeah, and some butter. Put the peaches in there. Butter. Put some layers on there. Yes. Put them in Terminator. Damn. I ain't no chef, but Gordon Ramsay ain't got shit on me. Oh wait, yeah.